While 9 out of 10 Filipinos are functionally literate, many school children still struggle with basic reading, writing, and numeracy. The urgent challenge for Filipino school teachers and school heads is to bridge this learning gap across the Philippines. Early Language Literacy and Numeracy Digital, or ELLN Digital, is a teacher professional development course for kindergarten to grade 3 teachers that uses a low-tech, blended learning approach. Designed for scale, the aim of ELLN Digital is to provide flexible, high-quality, and timely training to teachers nationwide, replacing the traditional face-to-face cascade model that has been the norm in the Philippines for decades. ELLN Digital is a practice-based course that combines self-learning with offline, interactive, multimedia modules, classroom practice, and co-learning with peers in a school-based professional learning community. With this blended approach, teachers learn from and with standardized, quality-assured course content that supports them in localizing instructional materials and strategies to meet the needs of a diverse range of learners. Instead of attending traditional seminars, teachers receive a copy of the offline ELLN Digital course package and study each lesson in the courseware on their own pace in school or at home. They then apply in their classroom the concepts and skills they just learned, and then meet with fellow teachers in a learning action cell to reflect on the lesson and their classroom practice. Teachers go through this cycle of learning, application, and reflection until the course is fully completed. ELLN Digital does not require internet access. Teachers anywhere can complete the program and download supplementary resources should they be capable of doing so. ELLN Digital was piloted in 2016 with 4,000 teachers in 11 of the country's 17 regions. An evaluation of the 4-month pilot in 2017 yielded encouraging results. Teachers responded positively to the program and demonstrated small but significant gains in content and pedagogical knowledge. Following this success, the Department of Education planned for implementation in 2018 and began the national scale-up in 2019. School heads and teachers were introduced to the Plan, Do, Study, Act cycle. Rapid, iterative ways to analyze plans, identify problems as they arise, and enact solutions appropriate to their context. With ELLN Digital, teachers and school leaders are now capable of continuously improving delivery of literacy and numeracy instruction and eventually helping Filipino children realize their full learning potential, whoever and wherever they may be.